Get ready to be transported into the world of wonder and magic as we explore the world of fantasy art together. So join me and we'll do some acrylic painting. I'm Caryl Jean. Let's go. Let's just put in a little, this is against the rules to use gold paint, but we're going to do it because, well, we're doing a fantasy picture and I'm not sure that doing fairies is quite within the realms of the rules either. Gotta get this cap off. There we go. Maybe it'll come out. There we go, it's coming out. This is a little bit old, this paint. That's okay. We'll just mix it in a little bit and make it, okay? We'll just mix it in a little bit. I should show you the, well, without spilling it. See, this is the palette that I've been using. I always see people showing the palette that they're using. So that's fine. Okay, let's mix a little gold into it for fun. This is a little, we'll get this a little bit. Makes it a little more new. And then how I did the trees was just drag drag the paint with the different colors mixed in on the brush. So we'll go back and do some more of that. What we're doing here gives an idea of a glow. Let's have some more glow. Let's have some more glow. Let's have some more glow from her. She's glowing. There she goes. All right. And let's put her features in. And then I think this would be really nice with a layer of gel over the top, a glaze. Okay. Well, so we're going to put her features in, and let's see if I got the right. I'm going to take a layer of glaze and cover the whole piece. And what this will do is add some depth to it. And then we'll let it dry. We'll cover the whole piece. And this is a layer of glaze. And then we'll just cover the whole piece, and we'll cover her carefully. There we go. And I'm going to put it on a nice, thick, even layer. Nice, thick, even layer. Okay, let's just let this dry now. Okay, yeah, let's let it dry now. She needs to have some there. Okay, so we will let her dry, and then it should be pretty see-through, but also add a little bit of depth too, so we can paint on top of it when it gets dry. Okay. I've let the glaze dry on this. I ran the fan over it, and now we're back, and I don't want to do too much to her. I'm just going to do a little bit more detail, and then that should be about it. That's all that I want to do. I'm going to get a little bit of this blue here and work with her eyes. There we go. My hand though, a little bit more. I'd like to see a little bit more clarity going on here. Yeah, just a little bit more clarity. Set off the difference between where is her hand and where is and again, I don't want to get too involved in detail because that'll take away from the Thank you for being with me today, and I hope that you've enjoyed everything and that you're doing well today, and I hope that today is a good day, and I appreciate you just hanging out with me while we're doing this painting of this beautiful forest spirit. Yeah. Really, I like how it all kind of flows together. I think I might define her wings a little bit. Just a little bit here. Okay. There we go. Just a little bit. Alright, I think we have it. This is how we're going to finish it. We did a lot of blending work with our brushes, having different colors on the same brush stroke, mixing the different brushes, and we just added some highlights to her now. We're not doing her exactly as she would look because we're going to get through this pretty fast, and more of an expression of how you feel and an expression of color and the expression of paint, doing it as painterly. And thank you for being here today. I hope you had a good time with me. Come back again for another painting adventure, and I hope until then everything goes great for you. Thank you. I'm Caryl Jean. Bye now.